these geese. This is what I was trying to show you guys yesterday. Hello. My God, that's 1,000 of them. So you have the really light ones over here, and then the dark ones over here. I'm not sure what's the difference of them, but I'm guessing females and males. So if you guys want to come down here to check them out, they are in the Van Cortland track. This is the country park track. Almost getting close to Yonkers. It's like the ending of the Bronx. I love their little wattle. See the little wattle? Hey you guys. So we're gonna enter the hiking trail right now. It's right across from me. And there's one of these over here. People are jogging over here. Oh, my earrings. Give me 1 second, guys. So, like I was saying, I'm gonna enter the hiking trail inside Van Cortland right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video that I put out for Monday. It took me a long time to upload it. It was rendering because I was making other videos as well, so I do apologize. So I'm gonna take you guys again to the back trail, show you guys a little bit more of the Van Cortland section. It's pretty cool over here. You can do hiking sessions with your families. on the other side of this, that side over there, over the Hudson, we have Jersey, and you guys could go camping and stuff like that over there. It's pretty cool. People love taking photos of these beautiful yellow trees over here, so we need to enjoy them now before they go. There is actually a cemetery over here as well. I'm not sure exactly where it's at, but I know it's inside the woods. Is the cemetery, the plot of Mr. Van Cortland. He's the one who owns all of this. So this park is very famous. Check it out. Google it. So if you are in the Bronx area, it's one of the best parks to come to. You could do so much over here. Everyone loves it. Doggies, joggers, families, walkers, hikers. We do a lot of trail city challenges over here as well. You got the two older ladies just jogging. We have one person over here drawing. So I'm gonna enter the park over here. I'm gonna go through this trail. It's one of the back trails. Let me show you guys. She's drawing a canvas of all of this over there. She's painting. I didn't want to interrupt her, so I went the opposite way. I know how that feels when someone jumps in front of your canvas layout. So, yeah. I decided to leave a little bit early because the sun is setting, as you guys can see. The trails get dark after a while. So, and I'm going to the opposite side. People use these trails as well just to come across from one section from the Bronx to this section. It depletes the cars and all that noise. You know, you get a chance to enjoy the nature, something that we don't have to pay for. And so I'm gonna turn the camera around, that way you guys enjoy all of that. Qué lindo. All right, peace, love, and blessings. Today is Wednesday. Later we're gonna be in Cortland Park. We're doing a celebration with the dogs for Thanksgiving, so it's pretty cool. Give me 1 second, guys. So these are one of the trails where we practice bear crawling, running. Look, you guys can see it a little bit better. It's a steep hill. Very steep hill. So let me turn the camera around so that you guys can see different trails. So you guys saw one of the trails. Well, there's many trails here, like I continue saying, but that's one of the trails where we do the bear crawl. We have the golf course over here on my right. This is another trail right here where we do the country cross training. We do a lot of relay race over here as well. So basically, if we are running through here, we'll be running like this, just like that person is running right now. And then we'll run like this. Some people deplete this because it slows them down. Right now I have a backpack, so it's similar to having a water backpack. And yeah, so some people go up, some people go down. Yeah. Some people use it as a training mechanism. I love running on this because it depletes. See, like when you're running on the street and when you're running on, it hits the foot and it hurts after a little while. But if you're running on this, it's softer. See, it makes you run better. See, we're going up. This is a hill, an incline hill. See? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just uncrossing the bag like that. I could jog a little bit with you guys. Like that. I should put my coat inside. That's it. I have a lot of stuff on. I'll hold it a little tighter. Hey. Okay, I didn't know I was gonna run with you guys. So this is special. My asthma's been acting up due to me going to Puerto Rico, the storm, and then the wildfires over here. So the air quality is not good, and I've just been trying to take it easy. So I've been doing little jogs here and there, so I have to stay up to par with the jogs and exploring nature as well. So I've been staying grounded. I wanted to go that way, and it's going this way. So let me see if it's gonna do an intercourse and turn. into the highway. How you doing? So this is uphill right here, going back into the highway. So let's see if we could do like a turnaround right here. I think there's like a little hidden section over here. I gotta go back inside my bag and take out my napkin. This is good for the back legs. See? Ew. This is good for the glutes as well. How you doing? Okay. Okay. I know where I'm at now. So basically, I did a little circle going around. So this is going to the horse ranch is over there. So I'm trying to stay on this section over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back this way, head back into Van Cortland, and go through the other trail. All right, come along. Let's have fun. Whew. I had to stop for a moment, take out my asthma pump. Woo. We just came up all of that. Okay, we're going down. Anytime you're going down, try to control your breathing. So this is the hill I was just showing you guys where we do bread crawl. Whew. Holy shit. I always look out for like a hawk. Always look out for these signs. So as you can see, there's trails everywhere. So I just came down from this one. I could go through there, but it feels good. That was a good cough. I love nature. Okay, so it's still Van Cortland. It's just another section of Van Cortland. I just saw the coolest person in the neighborhood. He's 89 years old and he just finished his 90th marathon. Pretty cool. Okay. So pretty. Hello. He's so beautiful. You got the little lake over here. We got the ducks over here, and the geese. So this trail goes all the way to Yonkers. Go inside my videos, you guys can check it out. Let me show you guys the stream real quick before I leave out of the section. I'll probably come back tomorrow. It smells like hey. I'm getting up and close and personal with you guys. So these are the geese. We have some ducks over. Yeah, the guy that's laughing over there. So we're going over there and we're crossing over and then crossing over again. So, bye little guys. Sounds like he's laughing at us. This is another trail over here. This was closed off during COVID. See, we have the steps over here and you can chill if
your family. Oh my God. Let me take a photo. Give me one second. Let me continue on with the trail. Hi. So beautiful. I'm gonna bring the boys over here tomorrow. Ay, carajo. No, where you going? He's coming. So beautiful.
Those are ducks. That one right there. Another one? One more? That's supposed to be... It's really activated. One more. Stop fighting. Alright, bye. Alright. Now, who said nature can be beautiful? Here. Okay, let me continue. They happy. So beautiful. You know, I really don't understand why so many people hate nature. Hi. Yeah. Give me 1 second, guys. My friend's over here. Yeah. Yeah. You don't want it? Here. All right, let me go. Oh, you don't want to take it from me. All right, let me go. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. All of you guys are coming out, right? Anyway, back to what I was saying. There's bird nests up there. I'm gonna have to put on my coat again. I'll start jogging. It's getting a little chilly, a little nippy. Enjoy.
Getting a little nappy. Okay, so let's continue. Start jogging again. I'm just gonna run to the 4 train. Ah. Nice bike.
Have a good one.
You too. Likewise. Yeah, instead of going through the 4 train, the bird trail, I'm gonna go straight to the 4 train. Let me take a photo of this real quick. Fuck. Right here. That's all I have. That's all I have. Here. That's all I have. 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 That's all I have.
That was too cute. He was trying to, like, he's still following me. He's still following me. Oh yeah, that was so cute. Oh, let me get some napkins from here real quick. Hold on. So I hope I caught all of that on video. I believe I did. I was gonna go through the other section, but as you guys can see, well, you guys really can't see, but it's getting pretty dark. It looks bright on my camera, but it's getting dark. So I'm gonna go through here to get to the 4 train a little faster. I was gonna show you guys the back trail a little bit more, but I'll do that tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna come over here with the boys. Yeah, the squirrel, he remembers me. I'm guessing is him, I'm not sure. But I kept on giving him the butter crackers. So he didn't want it. He wanted the Oreos. When I came on Monday, I was giving them Oreos. So they really love the sweet, because remember that the acorns that they eat is hazelnut inside, so it has like that sweet taste. It's pretty funny, right? How animals have taste preference just like humans. I'll try to see if I can bring some Oreos tomorrow for them. Yeah, so I'm walking towards the 4 train, like I said, right now. So, oh, there's a bike trail over there. Sorry, I'm looking around because I've been all over these trails, but I haven't been here in a little while. The last time I was here, we did a reunion over here for one of my friends that passed away on his motorcycle. And he was a really good friend of ours. I knew him since I was 7, and he came back into my life, the running life, around 2019, around there. He started asking me about the running. He wanted to get into it. He used to be a lifeguard for Manali's, and then he went on with his journey and stuff like that, and then he wanted to do running, and he started doing it. He enjoyed it. He loved it. He started working out with Pikes and Pavement. They're over here by 230 something. Pikes and Pavement. Just look them up. Pretty cool running club, community running club. They were the ones who, for the Bronx 10 mile, they had little shots. And they were over here by Moshula. And it was basically the 5 miles going back to Yankee Stadium, and I was running low on fluid, and I was like, yeah, let me get that shot. And I don't drink, but that shot did it. So thank you, Pikes and Pavement. Shout out to you guys. So that's a little backstory. One of my running friends, and Pikes and Pavement as well. I believe this is a football field over here. There's a couple of clubs that use it for cross training, workout trainings, and stuff like that. I gotta take out one of my napkins again. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys go. There's not really much to see over here. We're just entering a highway right now. I'm gonna throw on my coat again, stuff like that. So I'm gonna check you guys tomorrow, mañana. Peace, love, and blessings. I hope everyone is doing good and having a blessed day and a blessed night. I'll check you guys tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, everyone.
I feel like wanted that.
I just want to see them on video. Look at the video.
Yeah, I see them.
See the video, Papa?
Mm-hmm. What are they eating though?
Rats.
Looks really pretty.
Come closer to me. No, don't do that. Lower that down so they won't run. Yeah.
Oh shoot, what?
Ooh, it's holding something in its mouth.
How do you know? Oh yeah.
Saw it.
Look at the video.
It was a rat tail.
No, it was holding like an intestine.
Yeah.
You see the video?
Mm-hmm.
Look at his glowy eyes.
Yeah, Mom.
Look.
Mom, animals
Yeah, those glowing eyes are cool until they look at you like that. They look at you.
Yeah, Mom's glowing.
Shut up. My
Glowing
God.
eyes are normal.
Yeah, they're just eating, see?
Everything has them. Cows, deers.
Oh shit, he's getting closer.
Don't.
Freezing up time.
No, he's not. He's walking away.
Okay. Oh, okay, that was just my light.
They're just chilling. So where's the dog group?
Oh, I went over there. Oh, the dog group. Yeah. This is another one right here coming to you? Or is that a person?
It's another one.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, I see it. I think it's holding a squirrel.
We should probably tell the group.
Come on. We'll just walk out this way.
Why? What are we doing?
We're walking out this way.
We just
There's an entrance right here.
Yeah, there's coyotes living right next to it.
Where? No, there isn't. Little liar. You're the one that said, let's go to the park.
Yeah, I thought the dogs would be here, not coyotes.
Yeah, you told us the dogs would be here.
That's what they said.
That's what they said. Shush. You never know. Maybe we're in a different part of the park. Seriously, Mom?
What?
Like that bunch of coyotes.
Well, probably they went home. Yeah.